Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. T. We are having math on Thursday. We're going to be doing area models with division today, which is very similar to what we did before, but we're going to fill in different boxes today. And I'll show you everything that we have to do. So focus on this, pay attention, and you should be able to do this because you've got experience with area models now. Okay, so let's flip the camera. Oh, I'll move this back a little bit for right now. Okay. All right, so here's our area model. Now, you know that before when we had this, these boxes were blank and these we filled in. Okay, so now we have to figure this out. So 80 divided by 4. How many 4s are there in 8? There are, oh, I didn't make my box big enough. Okay, 8 divided by 4, or 4 times 2, and then we add a 0. So we have 20. 4 times 20 would be 80. Okay, now 8 divided by 4. How many 4s are there in 8? There are 2. So now I take my answers up on top. 20 plus 2, and we get 22. Okay, so instead of multiplying these, and we could check that, 4 times 2 is 8, bring down a 0. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, you can think of it as multiplication that way. Okay, so 3 times what equals 6? 3 times 2. And then we put up a 0 for that 0, so we have 20 again. Now we have 3 times what equals 9, or 9 divided by 3, either way, is 3. And so I line these up, 20 plus 3, and we get 23. So 69 divided by 3 is 23. Okay, we could write this like this. Oh, I'm not going to have room for that, okay? 69 divided by 3 equals 23. You can also write it like this. Okay? All right, so 6 divided by 2, or 2 times what equals 6? 2, 4, 6. I get 3 there, so this would be 30, okay? And then 2 times what equals 4? 2 times 2, okay? So 32, or 30 plus 2 equals 32. So 64. I'm sorry, this should be a 2 right there. 64 divided by 2 equals 32. Okay? Now, if you look at this, it says 90 up here. They divided that into 2 groups. They know that 80 can be divided by 2, 10 can be divided by 2. So 8, 2 goes into 8. They just decomposed 90 differently, okay? So 2 goes into 8 4 times, and we put a 0 behind there, okay? 2 goes into 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 5 times. So over here I add 40 plus 5, and 90 divided by 2 is 45. Okay? Let's look at a couple more. Actually, I have some on the back side too. Okay? So they took 52 and they decomposed it because they know that 2 will go into 40 evenly, 2 will go into 12 evenly. So 4 divided by 2, or 2 times what equals 4? 2 times blank equals 4. 2 times 2, and then we add the 0. 2 times what equals 12? 2 times 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2 times 6. So we have 20 plus 6 equals 26. So 52 divided by 2 equals 26. Here you can see they took 72 and broke it up into two numbers that are divisible by 4, 40 and 32, but this both add up to 72. I can show you that. 40 plus 32 to 7. These numbers always have to add up to what is up here, okay? So 4 times what equals 4? 4 times 1, and we add a 0. 40 divided by 4, you can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 of them. Okay, 32 divided by 4, or 4 times what equals 32? 8. So then we add these. We get an 8, 1. So 72 divided by 4 equals 18. In other words, there are 18 4s in 72. Okay. Sorry. 62 divided by 2, they broke it down into 40 and 22. 2 goes into 4 2 times, so we have 20 there. 2 into 22 would be 11. So now I have 20 plus 11. 62 divided by 2 is 31. And then 98 divided by 7, they broke it down to 70 and 28. 70 divided by 7, there are 10 7s in 70. 28 divided by 7, or 7 times blank equals 28. 7 times 4. So we add these up, and we get 14. So you normally multiplied these to get this number. Now you're dividing these two. Or you can think of it as 7 times blank equals 70. What would you multiply 7 by to get to 70? 10. What would you multiply 7 by to get to 28? 4. And then you just add them. 98 divided by 7 equals 14. Okay, so now I want you to go to IXL Math and do lesson E.7. Okay, have a great day.